Hi traders, greetings. So today is 16th of December 2020, live day trading for crude oil market and as well for mini S&P futures 500 and Nasdaq 100 futures January contract 2021. Alright, so we just hit our crude oil to short sell the market, which is at 47.25, and now moving nicely to the downside, which is yep. So the entry is somewhere at this level. Now try to move further down, so we are about 7 ticks the best at this moment. So need to wait if the price keep dropping further before the data event release. Should be a good one. So at this moment it was a good entry. So order already been filled, as I mentioned in my live telegram channel, and now we are waiting for the mini S&P futures 500 for entry, and as well for Nasdaq. Got one buy call here at the breakout to the higher side, so let's wait and see. And queuing with one lot position size at this moment, and for mini S&P any moment from now could be signal as well, so let's wait and see. And traders, we had as well just now confirmation on the signal, and I just sent out the signal for mini S&P futures 500, which is to go long, sorry, to go long, actually not to go short. Alright, so order just been filled, so alright, so order just been filled. Let's take a look. Okay, we are in the position at this moment, and yeah, wow, after entry then the price drop quite fast. Alright guys, looks good at this moment. We just enter our position for S&P future 500. So as you can see, the PNL over here, so just reaching the 112, the highest at this moment, and we can increase our stop loss to the 86. So this is the entry from my live telegram channel, and you can see just been filled a few seconds ago. So now we are waiting for our TP, which is supposed to be 5 points ahead, 95.75. so this is where we will exit our position. So about 5 points, should be around $250 in profit. Alright, so for Nasdaq there's a secondary signal, but perhaps still market on the bullish side. So we'll have to take a look back on analysis whether there will be change of the bearish direction, but so far for now it's quite clear that the market will remain bullish, and we need to just wait for the confirmation again to go another buy long position. So as for mini S&P, everything's fixed. We are on the good run, on the positive territory, so just a matter of time when the profit target level will be reached. So this is based from my live telegram channel. There's a below link in description or top side on the comment whatsoever. Alright, so we are 75 US dollar, and this looks good. There's some high level here at 3701, which is there's a high chance for the market to reach there, but for me I will not to be greedy, just exit as much as I able to exit. Any profit is good enough. So now just Nasdaq, there's still unconfirmed on the bullish, so there's a yeah, in 1 minute and a half time we will see whether this will be a good bullish trendy movement for Nasdaq 100. So as for now, have to wait for both. One, to wait for the order to hit the TP targeted price level, hit the profit level, and the other order is just to reconfirm whether it will go for the bullish or bearish direction. So as for now, I've queued the bearish direction for Nasdaq and also for the bullish. This is from the first signal over here. This is from the second signal we did receive. Okay, it was good for mini S&P futures 500. As you can see, the market are still on the positive area, now reaching $112 as a high. It's quite interesting. Alright, so the price are still moving quite fast. So let's take a look on 1 minute time frame whether this will be a good pattern can be seen much more clearer. So hopefully the market will have a strong volume to push the price higher and hit our TP, which is 5 points ahead, or about 20 ticks of profit. So looks good for now. 125. Our target is 250 or 225 should be enough to leave the market, or 180 something should be justified to exit the market with a good profit. Alright, so mini S&P keep pushing on the higher side, and as well Nasdaq try to go for another bullish. So we have wait a position over here. So this sell signal is no longer valid, but for mini S&P, the high just now is 182.50 dollar in profit. So now we are 175. So let's wait. Hopefully there's no pullback on the short term while waiting for the profit target to remain on the higher side. So still green for both. So there's a small scalp over here, $75 for Nasdaq during the opening, the first minute of opening. Okay, so for S&P, just have to wait. So there's a red level over here is our profit targeted price level, which already indicate in my live Telegram channel. So it's complete with a stop loss, TP targeted, which is the targeted profit level, and also where to enter the entry and order type. So like today we are on the buy stop limit order. We just need to wait for our position to hit the TP, and we can exit with a smile for today. So let's go back to the chart. Okay, so there's a good progress so far. 175 in profit. For me, it's a good enough. We can exit, but try to be a bit greedy so you can earn more today as a day trader. 200 or 500 or 600 per day is quite a good money as well, so can keep up with the living as a day traders. Okay, the highest is 187.50 for mini S&P. So I will exit my position after they reach beyond 200. So should be good enough for me as a salary for today. And also Nasdaq need to have a good entry as well. Okay, there will be a new signal for Nasdaq perhaps. Okay, but doesn't matter. I just park this position so to get be the secondary signal later on for Nasdaq, but this one is good enough for now. Alright, for mini S&P futures 500, so the left chart over here is still waiting for the another breakthrough to the higher side, so we can have a TP any moment from now. Alright, so we already feel as well for Nasdaq 100, so the profit a bit floating on the negative side. So stop loss should be somewhere over here. Okay, looks good for now. Maybe the price also will try to break through and break the higher side, but yeah, have to wait. We have to wait. So they have to wait patiently for Nasdaq 100, but for S&P futures 500, 175 still maintain. Alright, so for both market we are on the bullish signal. So I try to exit mini S&P as fast as you could. Maybe when there is a spike to the higher side, then I will try to exit it. So we are not far from the targeted level, about 2 points or 8 ticks. So for Nasdaq, we are on the positive side. Yeah, almost there, but it will be positive side any moment from now. The Nasdaq 100 is on my right hand side. Okay, looks good for both market. Hopefully not much pullback for S&P 500. Okay, so for Nasdaq still on the negative side. Okay, it's quite tough. Okay, now reaching a new candle, so could be a breakthrough. Yes, we are now in the positive territory. As well for mini S&P, hopefully the price will hit the TP and we are done. Should be a quick one. Okay, looks good for Nasdaq 100. So we can say exit now. Oh shit, because I try not. Damn it, we miss it. So because I know the price will have a slight pullback because of the profit taking activity. Alright, so have to be patient. Hopefully the price will go higher, then we just need to exit. Okay, looks good for Nasdaq. So hopefully the price just slightly go higher will be a good justification for me to exit the market. Small profit should be okay, better than the losses. So now floating, keep floating. Q first. So no need to be greedy. Okay. Okay, we hit our profit scalping for Nasdaq 100. So mini S&P still in the move. Okay, could be another entry later on, so just wait and see. Clearing out all unnecessary position. Alright, so we have a good green candle over here, so hopefully this one will keep trending and keep remain. Alright, looks good at this moment. We can see there's a slight consolidation for S&P futures 500 after our entry over here. Then the price did consolidate and maybe try to reach to breakthrough. Now waiting for a breakthrough. And for Nasdaq, we're still waiting for the re-entry any moment from now. Maybe not just moment, in 20 seconds could be. Alright, $62, $162, $175 actually should be good enough. We can exit our position. Okay, there's a strong candle can be seen. Alright, so another 6 ticks, about that 6 ticks or 5 ticks away from the TP targeted level. Let me try to enlarge it. Okay, from the entry level. Okay, I still hope for the big bullish candle appeared in this time frame at this moment, 1 minute time frame. So let's see. Okay, we might have as well entry for Nasdaq in any moment from now. It's quite interesting. We both end up green as of now, with the profit of 175 from Nasdaq. 2 times scalping, 1 lot position each time. So for mini S&P, we are waiting for the exit of the market. So there's a consolidation over here. A breakthrough to higher side is really helpful for our trade. A breakthrough to the bottom side could be a major pullback, but not a reversal, but just a pullback. So possible entry as well for Nasdaq. So let's wait and see. I will review the analysis for a while and resume later on. Alright guys, resume back again. So we are now waiting for the entry for Nasdaq 100. There's a bullish signal appeared a few minutes ago, and still waiting for it to be filled. So this is the first second scalp, and we can see now try to hit. Once it hit, then I'm targeting another few more points ahead. So for mini S&P futures 500, so the price still in the good position, a bit positive 100 now. Okay, so already filled for Nasdaq 100, so let's hope the price will push higher. Okay, looks good. We about yeah, it looks pretty damn good. So target stop loss should be somewhere over here. Alright, so now 80 US dollar in profit, 90. Looks good. So the profit is still increasing, but we expect more, about $200 hopefully. But for mini S&P now, the price done the consolidation and try to move. This is our entry, and try to move further high. 162 now. Very strong bullish at this moment for both market. So luckily I can manage to capture everything's live. So no need to be greedy. Alright, no need to be greedy. Whether we can exit now or yeah, looks good for Nasdaq. I can exit. Okay, I try to make a pullback, but hopefully mini S&P futures 500 keep continuing for the bullish level, because we are not far. Another few more ticks ahead. I think looks good for now. I better to put it somewhere there so we can. Okay, we exit. That's pretty much a good scalping. So total for Nasdaq is 290 US dollar for today. It's better to confirm it. And for mini S&P, I think I will exit at 87. Profit target level should be good enough. So 64 1 points below. Yep, because the money is good enough for me, because 290 plus almost 200 is 400 plus. So daily 500 should be good enough for day trading. So 187. Okay, a bit tough on this one. 200, come on, mine is not yet, is it? So the high for this one is 94.75, but because of why my order is not yet out. Maybe the queue is a bit long over here. Alright, increase a bit. So let's see. As I mentioned, pull back for a Nasdaq, and then maybe another high. So we can re-enter the market, but should be good enough for me. Okay, we try to exit the mini S&P futures 500 for now. We have one lot contract size. If the price pull back, we'll go for the break even. Yep, rather than have the losses, better to go for break even. So maybe another re-entry for Nasdaq, perhaps. Okay, I will pause for a while and it's going to take some time. Alright traders, market did hit the profit target level, which is 5 points ahead or 20 ticks, but I also for my entry already bring to the break even because market did drop tremendously just now, and yep, I end up with the $0 for mini S&P futures 500, even though the market reversed back to the higher side and hit the TP, so at this level. And for Nasdaq, we end up with a $395 in profit, so which is quite good at this moment. It was a great move for Nasdaq as well. Quick multiple scalping, three plot position size just now, 3 trade. And yep, I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and feel free to click the link below or in description to join the live Telegram channel. Thank you. Bye bye.